All right, Chin, you're working with F16 Media for months now, and I just want to record your honest testimonial.
It's 3 months already.
Yeah, exactly. So, what do you think? And I just want your honest feedback.
Yeah, so I found Muhammad online on Facebook. I saw his agency and I saw his testimonial. Since I saw my people are on the testimonial over there, I decided to go work with him. Since I started to work with him, we make in revenue way better than we used to do. We get a lot of new customers. Although that we tried before many agency about Facebook campaign, Muhammad did the best. No one get results like Muhammad did. And I am personally highly recommend about this guy. He's super responsive. His customer support is amazing. They are doing everything from A to Z, and you don't need to worry about him. You can trust him.
And what about people who think maybe we would run after or maybe run once they pay us?
Yeah, I don't know. I trust about Muhammad. I pay him up front. In the beginning, in the first month, I was not sure about him, so I asked him to divide the payment for two phases, and he agreed with it. Since then, I'm paying everything up front, and I don't care because I know Muhammad gonna do a good job, not matter what.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, my friend, anytime. Keep doing your good work, man.
Thank you.